to the crazy ones, the rebels, the troublemakers, the ones who see things differently. While some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
Introduction of Apple Company. Apple Company, an American corporation that designs and sells computers, consumer electronics, and computer software. Its headquarters is located in Cupertino, California, which was established in 1993. Apple was named the most admired company in the USA in 2008 and in the world repeatedly from 2008 to 2011. It has made its own unique reputation in the consumer electronic industry. History about Apple Company. The company was founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak and Ronald Money in 1976 when they quit their jobs and created the Apple I, which was inexpensive and simple to use. As it grew in popularity, the Apple II and Mac were produced with the improved designs and functionality. The company changed its original name from Apple Computer Incorporation to Apple Incorporation on 9th Jan 2007 as the company branched out into the consumer electronics market in addition to computers. The motto of company. At the beginning it started with the motto "Bite into an apple" and through the years it has evolved to think different. The vision of the company means Apple lives its vision through its technologies and attempt to make its customers the master of the products. It does not just make statement, but it ensures that its employees understand the vision and strives to reach it. Coming to mission, Apple is committed to bring the best personal computing experience to its customers all around the world through its innovative hardware, software and internet offering. Current scenarios. Apple at present is probably the most well-known company when it comes to making cutting-edge technology that everyone wants to be a part of. The company continues to stay on top and improve on their technology with products like iMac. Now Apple is a brand known to people throughout the world, maintaining 394 retail stores in 14 countries as well as the online Apple stores and iTunes stores. The company's estimated value is $414 billion US. Currently, the company has 72,800 permanent and 3,300 temporary full-time employees worldwide with an annual revenue totaling $156 billion. Tim Cook is the current CEO of the company. Currently, Apple provides products such as Mac, iPod, TV, iLife, iPhone. Apple's current biggest challenge is being able to find the appropriate replacement of visionary CEO Steve Jobs, who passed away in October 2011. To further, the main competitors of the Apples are like Samsung, Amazon, Dell, IBM and HP.
Value chain analysis. Value chain analysis consists of 6 different processes: new product idea generation, design and funding, product creation, distribution, sales and marketing, customer service. Apple has perfect chain of activities and innovation. Apple starts from its new ideas and product design it through its own resources and funding, then manufacture it and finally markets it wholeheartedly. Technology and product design. Contributes 5 to 9% of its sales to R&D. Operating system is universally regarded as more stable and reliable than Windows. Learning and innovation in technology lead Apple to leverage its expertise in iPod, iTunes and iLife suites of products. Production. The research and development-oriented product gave an extraordinary performance, and product like Mac became an identity of Apple Incorporation. Distribution. Earlier, Apple used small outlets to deal with customers, and later they revamped distribution system by limiting the relationship with small outlets and expanding it in national-wise. 40% of the company of sales is accounted to the online store and online selling its product. First authorized store was opened in Virginia in 2001 and now almost occupy 125 stores and above all around the world. Marketing and sales. Distinctive marketing campaigns have been a strategy to attract customers and to spread information among them. Television commercial, print ads, posters in public areas, wrap advertisement have been a successful way of outshining its new product. Apple hired TBWA Share Day, an advertising agency that designed a campaign of Think Different. Customer service. Apple believes in keeping a place in customer heart, and loyalty is a great strength to the company. Apple created a virtual love affair with their customer base by delivering technical superior product, that is, iPod versus Mac, MP3 players, Mac versus PCs, etc. Apple integrated the primary activity so well that it is transferred to the consumer where one activity begins and the other ends.
Here goes the financial analysis of Apple company based on quarterly basis. This chart explains about the quarterly net income before depreciation of first quarter of 2012, which is quite impressive. In this quarter, revenue has risen from $24.7 billion to $39 billion, or say it has increased by 59% in comparison to first quarter of 2011. High increase in revenue lead to even more rapid increase in net income before depreciation, that is $6.4 billion to $12.4 billion. This was led by slower revenue cost, that is 43%, where operation cost increased by 36%. This is the chart on the company's sale on the basis of geography and its segment. Sales by its geography is good. One by third of the sales are covered by US and 1/3 by Asia. This region has the highest estimated growth. Europe covers 22% of the sales. Compared to last year, sales in Asia has doubled, which has made the market to grow the most. Moving on to the revenues by segment, iPhone covers 58% of the sales, which has increased by 85%. iPad covers 17%, which has increased by 132%. These two segments are the important aspects for revenue. Besides this, revenue from Mac and especially iPod has decreased by 25%. According to net market share, Apple has increased its market share from 48 to 60% in mobile and tablet market and is also considered as the toughest competitors of Google Android, whose share has increased from only 15 to 19%. However, it can be a big project in the future market between Google and Apple. Balance sheet turns out to be very strong for Apple company. Its equity level has increased to 68%. There is a 45% of equity level at Q1. Since company has announced its dividend payment and share repurchases, company's equity should not increase in future. Company has its liquidity ratio of 1.6, which is good. Cash surplus of $110 billion, which has increased from $97 billion to $110 billion since Q4. Also, the company's inventory and account receivables are $109 billion, which is minimal so as liabilities.
Now, external analysis of Apple company. Political factor. Currently, Apple's business operations are executed all over the world. According to financial report of 2009, more than half sale of Apple product is coming from different countries other than US. There are several issues which are beyond the control of company, that is war against terrorism, geopolitical uncertainties, public health issues and sanctions on different countries. Such issues affect on sales of Apple product worldwide. Economic factor. The global economic depression might have immense impact on Apple company. The inflation rate is high, while consumer income didn't have significant changes. Moreover, the unemployment rate has increased, leading consumers to spend less, especially on luxury products, as Apple product might be built. Even though the US dollar has lost value, Apple company is not as endangered economically. The corporation has purchased itself foreign currency to minimize the economic effects of inflation on Apple company. Social factor. Globalization includes the interaction of people worldwide, for which technology played a main role. Today's world cannot be imagined without technology device as computer, mobile phone, etc. Apple is the globally seen as the king of technology, not because of most usage but quality and design. Technological factor. The technology market for computer and mobile phone has become huge, adding more competition in the market. Also, technology innovation and changes are almost fast as light. Therefore, the product life cycle is very low. Investing large in research and product development, Apple is on the top of market regarding innovative products. This includes marking the work for the competition to follow, but it is still better because innovation is a big part of the brand and has shown to pay out. Legal factor. It focused on legislation in employment and health and safety, changes in law, trading policy and regulatory bodies. Apple has to update itself with a new law and change its policy according to it. Lastly, environmental factor. It focused on recycling consideration, amount of pollution created by product or services, attitude to the environment from government and environmental pressure group. Apple is an electronic organization, so it has to consider its packaging that it can be recycled.
Some promising facts about Apple Incorporation. In 2011, Apple sold 70 million iPhones, 30 million iPads and 59 million other products. Apple employs 76,000 people worldwide, including contractors. The first Apple logo featured Isaac Newton sitting on a tree with an apple falling on his head. The first Apple computer, the Apple I, was released in 1976, which cost $666.66. Only 200 were made, which has a processor 1,000 times slower than an iPad. With annual revenues of $108 billion, Apple will be the 60th biggest company in the world according to GDP, which is bigger than Luxembourg, Costa Rica and Monaco combined. Apple is worth almost $650 billion, that is more than Microsoft, Google and Intel put together. Recommendation and conclusion. After analyzing the internal and external strategies of the company, it is evident that Apple has strength in its resources and capabilities, since Apple has supreme design teams, exceptional design engineers, several existing patents, and efficient and successful value chain and innovation-driven approach. For better and smooth business performance, a firm has to put much effort on the development of the latest invention or the product with new technological development. The Apple Incorporation should make use of the strong brand image and create much more alluring and fascinating computer and gadgets. Thank you.